Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I have purple, pink, and clear. You're also going to need a large bead. I'm choosing these hearts and stars. I do have these on my shop if you want these. If not, just substitute with whatever you have on hand. And you're going to need some of these. Or if you don't have these, you can substitute for whatever you have. I got these at Packetans, but they closed. I think Joann's carries Darcy. Don't quote me on that. But some of these. Okay, and you're also going to need a lot of string and some scissors. I'm going to start with, I think, about 4 feet here. And just remember, with any project, if you run out of string, you can always tie some on. And I don't like to give exact measurements because I don't know what kind of string you're using. And it can vary a lot. Like some elastic will stretch more, or if you're not using elastic. I know I get that a lot in the comments. Okay, so I'm going to start with 3 purple, and you're going to put your ends together and just let the beads go to the middle of the string. So you have equal amounts on both sides, but you can't really get it exact until you get the next set on. So on one side, you're going to take the string and put 3 beads on. Go ahead and lay that down. And you're going to take your other end and go across. So if you're familiar with the ladder, that's what we're doing here. So you have a crisscross. Now you're going to put your ends together and hold and pull these beads down. Now it might be easy. I want to try to keep these even. What I do is kind of pull it down as you're working. That just helps get the string centered or even. Okay. I'm going to take 3, oops, 3 pink, and you're going to take the string and go across. Okay. Once you have this started, you don't have to keep putting your ends together. You can just pull both sides of the string and it will go to the bottom. Okay, now we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to take some of these beads. And I'm going to put on 2 . And then I'm going to grab a heart. And then 2 more of these. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. But I think I'm going to switch it up and do a pink one on that side. And let those go down. And that's what it looks like so far. And now we're going to repeat what we just did right here. So we're going to put on 3 purple. Take your string and cross through. And then you grab both ends. Whoops. And then pull. Take your string and go through. Pull these down. I'm getting caught on the scissors. Adding 3 pink. Take your string and cross through. Grab both ends and pull. Okay, we're going to add 2 of these. Going to add a heart. If I can get it through there. It takes a little more patience when you're using these smaller beads. This is what it looks like so far. And we're going to repeat this right here. So 3 purple. I'm going to go across. Grab your ends and pull. Three clear. Go across. And if this is starting to feel a little loose, which it normally does, you're going to pull everything down to tighten it. And don't worry if it scrunches up a bit. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay, we're back to putting 2 of these on. And a heart. 2 of these. Two of those. A heart. And 2 of these. And that's what it looks like. And we're back to the pony bead, so we're going to do one more set here. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay guys, I added my last set, and I went through and tightened this up. So if yours feels loose, go ahead and tighten it up. Now we need to connect these ends. So bring this over. And we're going to go through these two purple. And then we're going to take this string and go through this purple. Like that. And we're going to make a knot so it stays tight. And now you're going to take one of these strings and go through the purple. Like that. Because we're going to layer on top. And this is what it looks like so far. I know it feels like a little big, but when we do the center part, it should shrink it down a little bit. Okay, for this pony bead part, we're going to add some of these on both sides of the string. I think I'm going to put on 4 and check the length of that. I think I'm going to do 5. Okay, so we have We have 5 of these on here, and we're going to take our string and go through the middle pink. Just the one. We're going to do the same thing with the other string. Add 5. And we're going to go across the pink. Okay, see what we did there? Added 5 and then cross through the pink. Okay, I'm going to take one of these pink stars and I'm going to put both strings through. Okay. And we're going to cross our strings through the purple, the middle purple bead here. So 1. See what we did? Crossed it. And you're going to grab both these strings and pull tight. And you might have to pull it down to get it even, but that's what it looks like. Okay, we're back to the pony beads. So we're going to add 5 of these. We added our 5. We're going to go through the middle pink. Grab the other side. Do the same thing. We're going to take our string and go through the pink. Pull it. Okay, we're going to take both of our strings. I'm going to add a purple one this time. Both strings go through. Okay, we're going to take our string and go through the purple. And then you're going to take your other side and go across. Pull it. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Now we're going to continue to do that on this side of the bracelet. We're just going to repeat the exact same thing we just did here. So we're back to this part right here, and then a pink star. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I took one side of the string and went through the purple bead. And normally we would cross over, but this time we're going to have both strings meet and then make a knot. And the bracelet should have shrank quite a bit. But this is what it looks like. Super fancy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.